up like that, we fuck this off. Out out your world, we gonna just know it's what we feel yourself. You private talk from that death. I'll put your bitch every step. Look by the thinking like that. You fight conflict, cause get what? You heard about me cause you're a scarecrow with because there's no pressure on because you know what you must do. Check this out. Let's have a drink and now you try